Talk Languages School. This is Shobha here. Dear students, today I am here to share some information that will be helpful for you in your OET writing. During the correction time, I have always noted the students using followed by and following in a very wrong way. So let us discuss where we should use followed by. First thing, followed by is a prepositional phrase that is commonly used to show the order of event or action. It suggests that one event or actions that occurred immediately after another. It indicates a direct sequence where the first event is completed before the second one begins. For example, after completing the initial assessment, the patient underwent surgery followed by a period of post-operative care. In the sentence, the surgery takes place immediately after the initial assessment. I hope you are able to understand. On the other hand, following is an adjective or a present participle that is used to describe events or actions that come after a particular point in this time. It suggests that a general sequence without necessarily indicating a direct or immediate connection between the events. For example, the patient underwent an initial assessment and following that a series of tests were conducted. Here, the tests were conducted after the initial assessment, but the exact time frame or the immediacy is not specified. Let me summarize. Followed by specifically indicates a direct sequence where one event immediately follows another, while following generally implies a sequence without specifying the immediacy or direct connection between the events. I hope you are able to understand. Thank you.